Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect AWS RDS database for PostgreSQL 17.4 from pgAdmin or DBeaver. Okay, first connect to AWS console, then search for RDS. See here we have the Aurora and RDS. Before it was RDS, now it is renamed to service as Aurora and RDS. Click on it. Click on DB instances or databases. Okay, either is fine. See here I don't have any instances running. 0. Okay, click on DB instances, then click on create database. See here we have two types of methods, standard create and easy create. We are going to use the standard create. This is the Aurora PostgreSQL compatible edition, but select the PostgreSQL here, then scroll down. Here we have to select the version, that is engine version. Engine version means PostgreSQL server version. Click on drop down. See here we have the latest version 17.4. Select it. Then see here we have to select the templates, production, dev test or free tier. Okay. See, for production we have these options, but if you go with free tier, these options will be grayed out. Okay. For this demo purpose, I am going to use this free tier. Okay. So scroll down. Then provide the name for the DB instance identifier. Then credential settings. See, master username is Postgres. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, and provide the password for this master user. I am giving. Then see, this is not satisfying the policies. Okay, see, it must be at least 8 characters and it cannot contain any one of these 4 characters. So keep in mind and give the password. Okay. Remember this password and this user which is required to connect to AWS RDS database for PostgreSQL 17.4. Then instance configuration. Then you have to select the instance class type. See here, for standard and memory optimized classes disabled because we have selected free tier. Okay, that's why we are unable to select these two. We can only select the burstable classes. In this also we are able to select either of these two, T3 or T4 macros. Okay, so I am going with this DB T4G macro. See here, number of CPUs are 2, 1 GB RAM. Okay, then storage, you can select any one of these storage types. Allocated storage, I am giving only 20 gigabytes. Connectivity, see here we have two options. Don't connect to an EC2 compute resource or connect to EC2. It is up to you. Network type IPv4. Virtual private network, I don't have anything, so it will create the, see, if you have an existing VPC in this region, it will show here. I don't have any VPC, so it will create new VPC. Subnet also I am going to create new one. Public access, select yes. Then VPC security group. See here I have one default one. So if you want to create new for this RDS, you have to select new, or if you want to use the existing one, you have to keep this one. Okay, if you have more than one, it will show here in this region. Availability zones. So I'm going with the H1B. Select from this list or no preference. Okay, I'm not going to change this certificate authority and other options. Optional tags, I'm not going to provide additional configuration. See, the default port for the PostgreSQL is 5432. Okay. Then database authentication. See here we have 3 methods: password authentication, password and IAM database authentication, password and Kerberos authentication. I am going with only password authentication. This is up to you based on your requirement. Database insert standard. Enable from retention period, default is 7 days, but we can select up to 2 years, 24 months. Okay, and if you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you have to select this box, and if you want to log exports, you have to select the check boxes. Okay, IAM role, it is disabled. See, if you are okay with all these settings, Review one more time. Then click on create database. See, it is suggested add-ons for this RDS. I don't want anything at this moment. Close it. See here, creating database, and this is the database identifier name. See here, this both are same. And status is creating role instance. Okay, engine is PostgreSQL. Wait until this status to be changed. If you want to see the credentials, click on here. See, username is Postgres. If you want to copy the password of this username, just click on this copy button. Okay, close it. If you click on this one, here you will get the endpoint and port information. Once you get the endpoint, then we will connect to this AWS RDS for PostgreSQL 17.4. You want to go back, click on databases, see here. Now status has been changed from creating to configuration. Click on it. See, now it populated the endpoint, port number, and also see here we have already there VPC security group, VPC information, monitoring, logs, etc. information is there. Okay. Now we will see how to connect to this PostgreSQL 17.4. Click on this endpoint. Now open pgAdmin. If you haven't installed pgAdmin on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install pgAdmin for on Windows or Linux operating systems. See here, I have the pgAdmin for. Not only with pgAdmin, we can also connect with the PostgreSQL client. Open CMD. I have already installed PSQL client. See, I have installed PSQL client. Okay, you can try to connect PSQL-U, username is Postgres, then -h, paste the endpoint, -d. See, now we got it, expand it. See, these are the older connections. Right click, register, then server, then give the name AWS RDS 17.4. Then go to connection tab. Here in home host name or address, we have to give the endpoint. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on save. I will show you this command as well once we connect here. See, unable to connect, this is expected. Go to here, click on this VPC security group, select the security group ID, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on add rule, then select the PostgreSQL, select here, then source, select my IP, then click on save rules. Not only my IP, you can give the IP ranges. By clicking on this, anywhere means it will accept all anywhere IPv4 addresses. If you want custom, you can click on this custom. Okay, select save rules. Now go to here, just enter the password, then click on save. See, I have entered wrong password, so then click on save. Now we will be able to connect. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it. See, here we have the RDS admin database and we have the default Postgres database. Okay, now here also -d, give Postgres, hit enter, then provide the password of this Postgres user, then hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the version. Select version. See, we have connected PostgreSQL 17.4. Here also we have connected same. If you want to run queries, right click on any database, query tool, then select version, select it, click on execute button. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.4. If you want to create database, just create database, select it and click on execute. See, we have successfully created. If you go to here, right click, refresh. See, you got the new database. Even if you go to this connection, \l, see, we have the database. If you want simply database name, select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the databases. Okay, except this bank. These are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL, AWS RDS, PostgreSQL installation. Okay. Here also you can run the same queries. Like if you want to switch to this bank database, just give \c and database name. See, we have successfully switched to the bank database as the user Postgres. If you want to go to this query tool, you have to go to here. If you want to remove this one, okay. Next option that I am going to show you is go to this AWS console. Go back, or simply go to home, or AWS RDS, DB instances. See, now it is showing one. See, now its status is available. Okay, so everything configured perfectly. Okay, now if you want to stop or restart, just come to here and reboot. And if you want to stop temporarily, click on stop. Okay, or even if you go to here, then select this DB identifier, then go to actions. See, here we have the same options. Okay, if you stop this one, then you will be not able to connect to PostgreSQL from the pgAdmin or command prompt, or that means PSQL client. Okay, I want to show you one more method, that is DBeaver. Go to DBeaver, click on this plus button, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Then here in host we have to give the endpoint. Okay, again I am showing you. You can get the endpoint by clicking on this one. See, here we have the endpoint. Okay, go to here. Default port for the PostgreSQL is 5432. Database name, show all databases. Then provide the password of this Postgres user. Then click on text connection. See, connected successfully. Click on finish. Expand it and see here the connection information. This is the connection string. Wait a moment, it is loading. Expand databases. See, here we have the databases like here. Okay, if you want to create users, expand groups and roles, you can create users. Okay, in the same way, table spaces. Okay, if you want to run queries against this database, right click, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. See, now we can run the queries. Okay, so we have successfully connected. See, if you go to this monitoring, here you can see all the information about this RDS. Okay, now go back, databases, select identifier. Again I am telling you, if you are not using, stop. If you are not using, permanently delete. Why? Because AWS charges are based on the usage. Okay, if you forgot to stop or delete, charges will be more. So in this video we have seen how to create AWS RDS database for the PostgreSQL, then connected from the PSQL client, pgAdmin and DBeaver. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.